India, a nation on the upsurge of industrial excellence and technological innovation. A country at the threshold of transformation into a self-reliant, sustainable and indigenous industrial giant. Stupendous achievements have been made in the areas of nuclear and space science, missile launch technologies, information technology and defense. This industrial advancement and growth wouldn't have been possible without the ultra-modern technologies in metal cutting and machine tool industry. India produces around 10,000 CNC lathes and 6,000 VMCs annually of varying levels of complexity. Still, we do not have an indigenous CNC controller package which can equally compete with its foreign versions. At Electro Pneumatics, we know that indigenous solutions of tomorrow emerge from self-reliant innovations of today. Hence, we have developed the Electro CNC.